In just 10 minutes, grab 10 household tips that will make your life easier than ever. Stop sticking pins into your thread spool. It could accidentally hurt you. Try my method to create a cute and safe pin holder instead. First, simply cut a piece of fabric from an old sock big enough to wrap around the pot scrubber. Then, using a needle and thread, sew around the fabric. Carefully placing the pot scrubber in the middle of the fabric so that the fabric wraps the scrubber tightly inside. Pull the thread and sew the scrubber securely into the fabric. Now you can safely pin your needles without worrying about losing them or pricking yourself. It's a small effort that makes a big difference. Don't throw away those used plastic cups or leftover cardboard just yet. With a bit of creativity, you can turn them into a beautiful handmade flower vase. First, cut off the top rim of a plastic cup and set it aside. Wrap the body of the cup with double-sided tape. Cut the cardboard into long, thin strips, about 1 centimeter wide. Stick the strips vertically around the cup, spacing them evenly. Next, take the rim you cut earlier and press it gently over the top of the strips to bring them closer together. For a sweet, cozy touch, braid some soft-colored paper over a piece of wire and tie it around the vase's neck. Finish by gluing a small strip of paper along the bottom and top to keep everything in place. And there you have it, a lovely budget-friendly flower vase made with your own hands and heart. If you enjoyed this idea, don't forget to share it with a friend so you can create together. What if you need to peel a mango but don't have a knife? Let me show you a simple way to peel a mango using just a toothpick. Start by gently running the toothpick along the mango's skin to loosen it. Then make a small incision around one side of the mango, about halfway. From that cut, use the toothpick to peel off the skin carefully, keeping the fruit intact and clean. This method is very simple. You can try it now to peel mango easily. Ever had leftover cake, but no container to keep it in? I used to wonder what to do, until my mom showed me this simple but clever way to store cake without a box. First, place your cake slice or whole piece on a plate. Then, stand the roll of plastic wrap upright and gently wrap it all the way around the plate, forming a clear wall. At the top, lightly gather the wrap to create a soft dome shape. This helps protect the frosting from getting smudged or stuck to the wrap. It's a clean, quick, and thoughtful way to store your cake. Perfect for short-term fridge storage or when you need to bring it somewhere. Ladies, be careful when removing chili seeds. Getting splashed in the face is no fun at all. Here's a simple trick using just the top of a plastic bottle that I think you'll love. First, cut off the bottleneck and trim little teeth around the edge to create a jagged mouth. Gently press the jagged edge into the top of the chili and twist. The seeds will fall out quickly and cleanly. No mess, no stinging hands. It's fast, neat, and so effective. No need to touch the seeds at all. Save this tip for your next cooking session and enjoy a little more ease in your kitchen routine. Here's a super helpful tip for anyone who owns an air fryer and struggles with cleaning off grease buildup. Simply add water to the air fryer, Then pour in a few drops of dish soap and set the fryer to a high temperature for 15 minutes. After the timer goes off, pour the water out and wash the basket with clean water. The grease will come off easily, and your air fryer will look brand new. This trick not only saves you time, but also keeps your air fryer clean and durable, making cooking a much more enjoyable experience. How do you clean your shoes? Scrubbing with soap and a brush can be time-consuming and messy. I have a simple solution that will make cleaning easier with just one tool. Prepare a plastic bottle with a lid. Cut off the top of the toothbrush and attach it to the lid of the plastic bottle with hot glue. Then use a small drill to drill a few holes from the toothbrush through the lid of the plastic bottle so that the cleaning solution from the bottle can flow out to the toothbrush. Next, mix 100 milliliters of water, 1 tablespoon of dish soap, and 1 tablespoon of toothpaste into the bottle. Screw the lid back on, and now you're ready to clean your shoes. See how much simpler it is? Save it to use every time you clean your shoes. Every sister has encountered a situation where her socks often fall out when drying them, not knowing where to find them, right? Don't worry. Today, I will share with you a super easy and convenient trick to keep your socks in place and dry faster using a plastic bottle. First, you just need to cut off the bottom of the bottle. Keep a moderate length. Punch 2 small holes on the body of the bottle. Next, remove the spiral part of the hanger and attach the plastic bottles. When you're done, just put the socks on the body of the bottle. So you have a sturdy sock hanger that won't let your socks fall out when there's a strong wind. Anyone can do this trick without spending too much time. Try it today! That oversized shirt of yours might make it tough to tuck in or layer under other clothes. Sometimes, it even makes you feel a little less confident when getting dressed. But don't worry, I have a simple little trick that can completely change the way your shirt looks. Start by unbuttoning the bottom 3 buttons of your shirt, just like I'm doing here. Now take the first button and fasten it to the last buttonhole at the bottom. Repeat this by pairing the remaining buttons and holes in reverse order, like folding the hem into itself. Tuck the front flaps of the shirt into your pants as usual. For the back part, simply roll it up neatly toward the waistband and tuck it in. And there you go. Your shirt now fits more snugly and looks so much neater without adding bulk. See the difference before and after? Let's try a fun little craft together, just to see how gentle and clever your hands truly are. Start by taking a paper cup. Stop about half a centimeter from the base so it stays intact. And using scissors to cut vertical strips from the rim down, each about 2 to 3 centimeters wide. Now turn the cup upside down and spread the strips outward like basket spokes. Take your favorite yarn color and secure one end near the base. Begin weaving the yarn in and out, zigzag style, around the strips from bottom to top. When you reach near the rim, glue the final end of the yarn inside the cup to hide the knot, trim the excess, and decorate with a ribbon for a charming touch. To make a handle, bend a soft wire and wrap it with yarn to make it comfortable to hold. Secure each end of the handle inside the cup using hot glue. Now sit back and admire your lovely little creation. Where would you place your basket? In the kitchen, on a desk, or near your favorite reading corner? Let me know in the comments.